Ladies and gentlemen, we have now started our final descent. As we prepare for landing, please ensure your seatbelt is fastened, that your seat back and tray table are open and locked. Additionally, carry items.
This is Cool P coming to you live from the Dominican Republic. I just got in here to Santo Domingo last night, and as important as this country is to Haiti, I've never been here. So come along and let's take a look around. Okay, so here I am finally in the Dominican Republic. Santo Domingo, baby! Very, very interesting, very different from Haiti. And I think I see Santo Domingo up ahead. Downtown Santo Domingo. Okay, here's something you don't usually see in Haiti. You have a lot of traffic, which is what you see all the time in Haiti, but we have an underpass here that we're going through. Not sure exactly where it goes, but I'll find out. But you know, just some of the big differences that I noticed right away. Big square here. Máximo Gómez
Con 27 febrero.
con 27 de febrero. Máximo Gómez and 27th February. Intersection. Big intersection. Here I am walking around Santo Domingo like I know where the heck I'm going. I don't know where I'm going. I am just walking around. I'm trying to get to the National Palace. Just left the hotel. But as you can see, everything is really, really busy. Very, very busy. This is rush hour. And I'm not here too long. So I'm just trying to run around and see as much as I can, as quickly as I can. Okay, I just bumped into a Haitian guy who gave me directions to go to the National Palace. It was so comforting meeting him because finally I could speak to somebody in full sentences and he could understand me. But anyway, I'm on my way. He also gave me some information about going to Caribbean tours tomorrow. Okay, I finally made it. I followed the Haitian guy's instructions. Thank goodness I met him. And I made it to the presidential palace. Very empty, very imposing, very good looking palace. At least I think this is the presidential palace. I'm not even 100% sure, but you know, now I think I'm just gonna try to. I want to get on the subway. Yo, Dominican Republic, Santo Domingo is mad hot, yo. My nose is all shiny. It is mad hot. Obviously in a very, very busy part of town. Everyone's trying to go home from work. This is like where all the government offices are. There are a lot of government offices here. And really busy. You can see all the traffic. People are just whizzing around. Okay, now I took the wrong turn somewhere for real. I don't know where I am. I'm under this overpass, and the neighborhood doesn't look too cool. So I need to try to get myself out of here. All right. I just passed this guy on the street. And I nodded my head to him. and he said, and I know I shouldn't get upset. I'm not upset, but he said, "Hey, moreno." You know, I mean, hey, black man, I guess. There are a lot of black people around though, so I don't know. But I just kind of thought that was kind of funny. Hey, moreno. Woo! Okay, I'll turn the corner into this more of a residential neighborhood. Oh, had to get away from that overpass. Damn it, it's starting to rain. Hopefully I can get somewhere where I can get some shelter before the rain starts. Looks like it's gonna rain hard. I found the subway. Don't know exactly where I'm going, but I'm gonna go down, see what it's like. I think this has been in operation for about a year, but before that it was in construction for about 6 years. So, bienvenidos in the, oh snap, oh wow, really nice. Wow. I'm impressed. Very impressed. Very, very, very impressed. And I think it's only one line, but I think they put it together pretty fast. Okay, I'm not sure exactly how this works. I got one ticket, which I think is a round trip. Oh no, this is one way. So I need another one to come back. Oh, this is probably what I need to come back. I'm not sure. I don't know where the I'm going. I have no clue where I'm going. No clue. No clue. Okay, I'm on a subway. People are looking at me, I'm talking to myself, but I don't really care. Subway's very, very clean. Then again, it's very, very new. But very impressive. And people seem to be really well behaved on it. Again, I have no idea where I am. But this is definitely an adventure. Now that was actually a lot of fun. I went all the way to the last stop, and this is called Centro de los Heroes, Center of the Heroes. So we'll go up the escalator and see what's here, and then I'll make my way back. But I'm not even sure what station I came in on, so you know, it's kind of fun. Wow, it got dark mad fast. Oh my God, that trip couldn't have been more than like 10 minutes. And look how dark it got, I forgot. In the tropics, it gets dark really quickly. There's nothing here though. I'm gonna walk around a bit, and if I don't see anything interesting, I'll just head back to the hotel. Okay, I'm about to call it a night. I just stopped in to this Dominican fast food place. There's some rice here. There's some kind of, I'm not sure what this is. They told me what it was. Maybe somebody on the site can let me know. It's good. Whatever it is, it's good. Some rice and some chicken. And after I eat this, I'm just gonna head home. Okay, I'm gonna go into the supermarket to see if I can buy something. See what my money can buy. Looks like it's pretty crowded. Actually, this neighborhood, it's nighttime, but it's pretty happening. Not too far from the hotel here. So before I go into the hotel, let me go try to get some fruit or something for the trip tomorrow. Yep, it's a supermarket. I think I'll just get these prepackaged apples. Gracias. That's all I know. Gracias. Okay, that was painless. That was painless, painless, painless. All right, so tomorrow it'll be a very long trip across the Haitian border into Port-au-Prince. Looking forward to that.
Mais Haiti exchange,